Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can do your business name registration, a step-by-step video on how to do it. So in this part of the video, in order not to make the video too long, so I'll be jumping straight into how to do the actual registration. So the first thing you want to do if you want to do actual registration is to create a profile and reserve a name. So if you don't know how to reserve a name or create a profile, I'll be leaving the link in the description box below. So make sure you click on the link and watch the video. So I've already reserved the name for this tutorial. So I'm just gonna log in with my details. So let me log in. Okay, so I have successfully logged into my dashboard. So on my dashboard there, so you're going to see the name yet to submit. You're going to see the name that is still under name reservation that is pending, and you're going to see the denied name and the reserved name. So and also you're going to see the name that have actually completed the registration and the one that is still under pending for actual approval. So in this case, so since we've done your name reservation before, so I'm gonna click on reserved. So once I click on reserved, so I'm gonna scroll down here. So as you can see, so here is the name. I'm gonna start the registration. So what you want to do is that you have to click on start registration. So once you click on start registration, so it's going to bring out this menu for you to fill. So the business commencement date, the email, the phone number, the state, local government, and other details as well. So how we fill this, so the commencement date for this business is going to be today's date, which is going to be the day I'm doing the actual registration. So I'm going to select today's date. So and for the email and phone number, so let me quickly fill that. So but before I fill that, so this principal place of business should be your main business address. So if you have any other branches you want to add to your business, so you can just add it. So where it say branch address, if any. So but take note, if you are adding a branch address, so you are going to be paying an extra fee of 1000 naira to CAC for additional address. So with that being said, so let me quickly fill the details and we can continue the video. Okay, so I have successfully filled all the details. So the next thing I want to do is to click on save and continue. So after clicking on save and continue, the next details we are going to be filling is the what is the proprietor details. So automatically you are going to become the proprietor automatically. So since you created an account, but if you are using an agent account, you are going to fill up these details. So let's say you want to add another proprietor to the business. So what you want to do is like click on add individual proprietor. So you are going to fill in the details of the other proprietor as well. So as you can see, here are the details. So I'm gonna do that right now so I can show you how to proceed. So I have filled in all the details. So every detail has been filled. So one thing I want you to take note is under this occupation and description. So irrespective of the business that the person is doing or you are doing, you just have to input business. So that is it. So you continue, you fill other information, then you choose the means of identification. So in this case, you can use any government approved identification. So you can either use passport, international passport, or you can use your NIN, or you can use your voter's card as well. So all these are accepted. So once you are done filling in the details, all you have to do is to click on add proprietor. So once you add proprietor, then you scroll down here. So you're gonna scroll down so you can click on save and continue. So which I'll be doing right now. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to add the nature of business. So what nature of business basically means that okay, what your business is all about, what your business does. Are you into fashion design? Are you into makeup? Are you into artists? Are you into graphic design? Are you into web design? And are you into other kind of business? So this is where you enter the details or the description of all yours of the description of all what your business is all about. So in order to add that, you have to click on add nature of business. So once you click on add nature of business, what you want to do is that you have to click on nature of business category. So we have the main category, then we have the subcategory. So in this case, I'm registering for phone accessories, sales of phone accessories, laptops, and other kind of business. So in this case, I will be choosing a general category. But if you have something like into catering or stuff like that, so you can choose accommodation and food service. So once you choose accommodation and food service, so you are going to see accommodation, bakery service, brewery, drink in hot drinks, so deal in soft drinks. So if you are into selling of soft drinks, so deal in wine, food and beverages. So you can just check each category so and see. So if we are into something like, let me come under other services. So under other services, we can see we still have other services if which you can register. We have the advertising, apprenticeship, training service, automobile, beauty pageant, film production, music production, and other personal services. So you have to go through each one after the other to locate your own particular category. So with that being said, since I'm registering this business for a phone and laptop and also with other kind of businesses, so I am going to be choosing general merchandise. So in order for me to choose that, I'm gonna come here. So I'm gonna choose administrative and supportive service. So then I will scroll. Then I'm gonna choose general merchandise because I'm dealing in multiple business. So in order to do that, I'm gonna write the nature of business here. So let me quickly do that. Then we can proceed. Okay, so I'm done inputting the details. So what I wanna do is to click on add nature of business. So once I had the nature of business, as you can see, so I'm gonna click on save and continue. So once I click on save and continue, the next thing I want to do is to upload the document. So in order for me to upload the document, so I will be uploading an NIN. Then I am going to be uploading the signature of the proprietor, and I am going to be uploading the photograph of the proprietor as well. So in order for me to upload that, so let me quickly upload the signature and other documents. So and note the means of identification, the NIN, the international ID card, or the voter's card you are trying to use is it has to be in PDF format. So if you don't know how to convert your email to PDF, so you simply go to ilovepdf.com, then you can simply convert your image into PDF format. So let me quickly upload the details as well. So the next thing I want to upload is the signature. So I'm gonna upload the signature here. Okay, so the next thing I want to upload is the passport. So all the three documents have been uploaded. So the next thing I want to click on is to click on save and continue. If you have any maybe other documents you want to upload, maybe you ask for a proficiency certificate for certain kind of business name, so they do require for proficiency certificate. So you can easily click on order, then you upload them as PDF as well. So I will click on save and continue. So then the next thing I want to do is to do what I'm gonna preview my details. Is everything okay? So I check the name, check everything. So the once I'm okay with it, the next thing I want to click on is to click on proceed to payment. So once I click on proceed to payment, so what I want to do is to continue and pay a certain amount, which is 10,000 naira. So I'm gonna click on remitter. So once I click on remitter, I'm gonna proceed to my payments. So let me click on remitter. So you can pay using different kind of methods. So you can pay using card, bank transfer, USD, Naira, branch, and other means of methods. So I do normally use bank transfer. So here I'm going to copy the number. So you copy this number. Then once you click on copy, then you go to your app. Once you go to your app, then you pay this exact amount. You pay this exact amount, 10,161 naira 25 kobo. So you pay it. Once you pay it, so you wait for it to say successful. So Once you wait within 5 minutes, it's going to acknowledge the payment, then it's going to send your job to pending. Then you wait for approval from CAC. So that is how you can simply register your business name. So if you find value in this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit the subscribe button, and make sure you click the link in the description box below to watch how to reserve a name and create an account. So thank you and see you in my next upcoming video.